Good morning, friend. Myself, Dr. Annapure S.G., Raja Sripatrao Bhagwantrao Mahavidyalaya, District Satara in Maharashtra. Today, I am going to come with new topic, that is hot potatoes. Hot potatoes is nothing but it is a open source software, and this software is very useful for conducting online examinations, quiz, various natures, assignments, and so on. First of all, I would like to show how to download from Google. Go to Google, then you will find that okay, go to Google. Here you have to type hot potatoes, then click here. It is the first site, hot potato home page. You can download here from also, and here there are two type of one same software is available with varied version like 6.3 and 7. Now we are going to download the 7. How to start? Okay, this is the home page of this hot potato. It is icon. This icon will appear when you download on your desktop. Look at it carefully, and it is version 7. Go near below, then you will find where to download option. Here hot potato 7.0 installer. On this blue link you have to only click, and then it is very easy. You can download here, and then after downloading you can find that like this icon, and in this icon you will find various features like this particularly software is included 5 types of options like J close, J quiz, J cross, J match, J mix, and all are together here. It is a unique setup. Okay, now we are going to learn one by one J quiz. Once you have clicked on J quiz, you will visualize like this screen. This is, and within this screen you have to type your questions in various nature. Before it, I would like to explain that here is given some options like file, edit, insert, manage questions option, and help. And below that, here is a start new, a blank quiz. Okay, it means that which is appear here. Second option has given open a previously saved exercise. Suppose you have designed any question sheet, then you can find out here. Then it is option 3 number option is for saving your drafts. Then save with a name. After that, create edit options are also here here is given. And next, export to create a hot potatoes version. It means that we have to save two places. One is here as desktop, and second is here. This option, why it is useful? Because if you want to preserve this questionnaire or this quiz on the web, on open educational platform, there are various open educational platform. Only you have to register here and your account create, and after that you can upload this link embedded address on that platform, and anytime anywhere your students, your learners can find or can solve the questions or quiz as their requirement and as per their possible time. In this way, both options are important while designing it. and here has given insert a picture also, you can insert within that quiz. Also file you can upload, URL number you can give also. Here are many features given here. Now I will show you one demo. You will get an idea. Suppose quiz 1, quiz 1, okay, and suppose I would like to ask a question like what is tense, okay, this is questions. On the right side here has given a various options: multiple choice, short answer, hybrid, multi select. Okay, when we type questions we can generally get an idea about which type of that question. It is a short type of questions. Okay, select here short of those questions, and here you can give the options, okay, which is the correct answer. Suppose tense is a important part of English grammar. Okay, second option, it is a language. Third, it is a part of body. Okay, just I have given here, and last, none of the above. Okay, this is questions I have here. Once you have given 4 options, then you have to you know that what is the correct answer, actual answer, then click here, it is a correct answer. Okay, in this way question number has design here. You can generate next questions, and after that creating questions you have to save here. Save, you will ask that where you have to save. If you choose here properly, suppose I am choosing here documents, okay, and then file name give here quiz 1, quiz 1, okay, and save. It has been saved. Second option here, you have to also you will ask here also, you have to save. But while saving in the home page or HTML format, then there is need to remove the gap between 2 words. Okay, then and then only it can take. Below is you can find that HTML files. Okay, here as show, and then you can show, it will be show, and after that once you have saved it in HTML format, then you will find that where how it can be look. View the exercise in my browser. Okay, just okay, it will be visualized. It get few times. Okay, this is your quiz. It has been generated here. What is the answer? You have to write here. Suppose it is important part of English grammar, and then check it. Sorry, try again. It means that here is something wrong while writing answer, as it is answer here is need, and once you give the proper answer, then it will show here correct. In this way you can correct answer correct answer. Tense is important part of English grammar. It has shown. Okay, and your score is 0 because you have not given correct answer and you only have check here. Okay, in this way it will be very useful for conducting any quiz, and I hope that you can design like various type of questions, multiple choice, short answer, hybrid, multi-select also has given here. In this way many questions you can design, and after designing, okay, after designing you can upload these questions on the net. I would like to show here that just go and you have to type Internet Archive, Internet Archive. It is a open educational platform which allows to us upload the various type of resources on the net without paying a single rupees, which will be benefit to us for API, or it can be include in our academic performance. It is very important. It is a authentic open educational platform. It is Internet Archive, and once you have to log in, sign up, then just you have to put register here some information, basic information. After that your account will be create here, and after that when you can upload here, there is a reviewer committee. They can check your contents whether it is correctly, whether it is plagiarism free or copyright free, and then you will get an email. After that your content will be uploaded here. In this way this platform is very useful to you, and likewise I hope that there are many options within this hot potato software. Maths type of questions here, it is a mixed type of questions, it is a cross puzzle questions you can create here, it is a closed question. Yeah, these are all various type of questions you can create here. I hope that you have get an brief idea about the hot potatoes, which will be very useful to you, and thank you for listening to me. If you like this video, then you can like me. Thank you very much.